Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trading Analysis with the market recap for today, 3rd of November. Nasdaq finally fell off, and we were saying during the market update that it was a nice sideways range day. We were doing that until this descending resistance, as you can see, beat the Nasdaq down through this support area and this low of day 10,700, and quite bad for everyone because finally S&P's is not doing low of day, but is more or less stronger than the Nasdaq, but overall quite logical day after yesterday's FOMC, bearish day. Today, a little bit of continuation, not too much. If we check the daily, we are more or less holding this first pivot, and I don't know tomorrow, but this level 10,400 or 500 is looking like a magnet. This is super visual, and usually when the markets are visual, they tend to go to those levels. So quite a bearish day, to be honest. Expected, but a little bit sad. I guess it is what it is. So the dollar is trading sideways. Is not pushing too much. So I think what happened is, as you can see in the right hand side, is yields are pushing quite high. So after FOMC interest rate decision, the December rate bonds market at pricing in 4.16, and April is more than 5, and September it's all-time highs at 5.10. So we are pricing in since April next year until September 6 months of 5+% of interest rates. And finally in December, one cut, I don't know if one or maybe not, 4.9. So next year is going to be insane in terms of interest rate hikes. TLT, Treasury bonds. Well, yes, it was quite nice until we just pulled back of the highs and couldn't continue higher. High yield corporate bonds trading sideways, and overall tech stocks, Apple -4%, Google -4%, Amazon consumer discretionary. Look at the daily, it's been destroyed. If we check the weekly, talking about magnets, this 8360 level is looking looking nice for shorts. So, well, it is what it is. VIX daily. This is interesting. VIX is pulling back again. It's in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of the range, and someone should think about why VIX is that. It's not bearish, it's just in the middle of anywhere. But overall market and all tech stocks are dumping. So quite interesting to see VIX at these levels. One should expect maybe to be at 35 or even 40. So Nasdaq for tomorrow, I guess this low is a magnet, and I would expect continuation to downside, breaking this pivot. As you can see, this pivot here, we are basically moving, testing that level. I don't expect too much above bounce, but maybe slow grind, a test of 10,500 again since early October. So well, and S&P's forecast, I think, is this pivot, more or less. I think is also quite visual, 3,641 after breaking the 4-hour. We can see breaking this ascending pattern, we are stair stepping down. This is a bear flag, and more, I think 3641 is one of the targets for short after losing this support. I think it's quite clear. So that's all from my side. Quite a day. We started going sideways and we ended up falling off a cliff. So my platform just rose. Okay. So we were trading sideways until we just fell off. So thank you for your time. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to comment down below. If you found this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Remember, I upload new videos every single day for market update, market forecast, and market recap. I appreciate your time. I hope you had an amazing trading day. See you tomorrow with the market forecast. Remember, discipline and risk management are key for success. Stay safe, everyone.